What's up guys, it's me DJI testing now with the Rocksteady on 4K 30 frames per second with the Rocksteady on the DJI Osmo Pocket. To be honest with you, DJI Osmo Action. Yeah, this is an amazing camera as you can see. Yeah, this is amazing wide angle camera, but right now I'm gonna do some staircase test to test the stabilizer. You heard me right? To test the stabilizer on this staircase. Literally I am very much excited. As you can see, this is the staircase which I am walking. And how good is my audio? I mean, yeah. And the camera exposure is becoming a little bit dark because this is how I love to shoot. I mean, to be honest with you. Okay, yeah, angle is quite wide, but when you use the Rocksteady, this I think a little bit crop. I'm not sure. The field of view become a little bit narrow, not like Pocket, which is really very narrow. To be honest with you, yeah, this is the real vlog. I'm going to render this video in around 120 bit, so there won't be any loss of quality. Yeah, this record is at 100 megabits per second. So definitely there won't be any loss of quality. So YouTube rendered a video in lower size, that's why the quality is not exactly what you want, and after that the YouTube do their compression. I mean, yeah, but the video quality is amazing for what it is. I can easily record, I mean, like however I want. That's so the skin is gonna become a little bit dark. So yeah, again you need to be the judge how good is the stabilizer and how good is the video quality.